everyone. Welcome to Sodex's webinar 10 on the knowledge series. And today I see we have a lot of people joining us from various parts of the country in geography, especially from India and Bangladesh coming together. Thank you so much for spending our time in today's session. So I would like to share this an important area, as to what, this one particular slide, which I tend to, take up in all my conversations, which I have, whether with the leaders or with the experts, as to this is the current landscape of our business strategy. As businesses, we all know we are all, majority of us are from India or from Bangladesh. This is the room which is we are playing pre-COVID-19. COVID-19 से पहले हम लोग इस room में play कर रहे थे. The play area is about $440 billion in terms of the export industry for the garments. Even if people who are not into the garments, they are part of the supply chain who are supporting the garment side. And together on the Bangladesh and India side, if you see the numbers as part of the population, we are equally as, or maybe as bigger in terms of the size of the population from China, but the China still holds about $157 billion worth of textile market. And this is just in the garment side. If we see the textile side is another $280 billion, and India holds about $18 billion. We don't have the exact figures for Bangladesh, but China holds the lion's share here again, which is $118 billion. So there is a lot of room wherein, things are going to change. When I say things are going to be changed, is with the current set of events and the ongoing activities with coronavirus and pandemic, which is we are all facing around the world. There is a lot of sentiments and, areas where people have been witnessing that there is a lot of dependence which has been formed over years with only one country, and which is a country which has taken a little, I wouldn't say advantage, but yes, there is too much of dependence on that one country. And now majority of the economies around the world, whether it is in India or US, Europe, everyone is trying to figure out a way to come out of this situation and find another way as to what all are the other economies which can come in and, support us. So this gives us a lot of area to work around with, and a lot of opportunities which can come maybe during the current set of spares or in the coming years as to what all things we can do and how we can change the dynamic of these two equations. So what is happening now is health and safety. Health and safety is becoming the top priority in the world. Digitization is playing a very important role to fast track the changes. As you have all been seeing that in the lockdown, we have had a lot of webinars, a lot of discussions, a lot of, online events, where people have been talking about it. They have been talking about as to how things are going to be a lot more different, and digitization is the role which has been created, whether it is through mobile apps, through internet, through social media, and all of us are all part of it, understanding how these changes are happening around the world, and we are all witnessing. So the technology adaptation, what has happened in the last couple of years and what has happened in the last 2 months, तो जो 2 सालों में या 3 सालों में हुआ और जो 2-3 महीने में हुआ, so there is a lot of shift in terms of business, in terms of engagement, in terms of connections. The technology has played a very, very important role in getting the people and countries connected. And going forward, we all know that e-commerce has already made an inroads, or m-commerce has also made a much more inroads. आज के डेट में हमारा बहुत टाइम m-commerce, which is like on the mobile phones or on the websites हमारा निकलता है. So a lot of information is now been shared on the internet. So this area will become an important area for everyone to adopt, and going forward that this area will become an important vertical to grow. आपको अपने business को भी उतना ही applied करना पड़ेगा ताकि आपका business ई कॉमर्स और एम कॉमर्स दोनों के साइड से, दोनों के एरियाज में से वो रिफ्लेक्ट हो पाए. Today's conversation is also on the fact that what kind of opportunities we can all see going forward. What kind of opportunities we can see, और वो opportunities हमारे लिए क्या लेके आ सकती हैं. So जो नई potential opportunities हैं हमारे लिए in the textiles. So if we see this opportunities now, in the last 2.5 months of COVID-19 lockdown and the events which are happening across the world, medical supplies, PPE kits and masks, they are becomes one of the top important demands in the not only in our country or in Bangladesh, but across in the different geographies. Everyone is now looking out for medical supplies, and it has become a very, very important niche and necessity for the current, for our own survival. Medical uniform, hospital supplies has also become an important area. Thankfully, it is all part of the textile vertical. Technical textiles, which has also become an important area with the hospitals, government supplies, military supplies, all coming into play. But technical textiles have also come into an important vertical. Corporate promotions is what we have been seeing it in the last few years, has taken a major leap forward. A lot of companies, a lot of corporates are spending a lot of money in terms of promotion. And knowing this, India and Bangladesh have not been able to make a lot of changes, or I would say a lot of share. They have not been able to get into this share of corporate promotion, and still this area is also 75% of this business has been dominated by one country, which is China. Fashion mask is one of the latest new opportunity which is going to come up, as mask is going to become an important integral vertical of our garments. आज की डेट में हमें घर से बाहर निकलना है तो गार्मेंट्स पहनने हैं, और गार्मेंट्स के साथ साथ में जो भी कपड़े आप पहन रहे हो उसके साथ में आपको उसके साथ का मैचिंग मास्क चाहिए होगा. How much you can wear white mask or other mask. So the colored mask will become an important area. Of course, N95 and the other important areas. But fashion masks will become an important integral vertical. There will be a new surge in demand for non-usable garments. People will be looking for garments which are low cost and are easily to be worn and to be disposed. So ये एक new vertical निकल के आएगा. This vertical was already there in the past also. A lot of brands like Walmart, Primark, they have been doing these kind of things. Target came out, wherein they have been selling a low-cost garment where people have been buying and they have been, using it for one wear and they have been disposing it off. Another important area which has emerged in the last 3 or 4 months, I would say, home fitness. Home fitness is going to be another very, very important critical area which is now going to go and expand. As हम लोग घरों में ज़्यादा रहेंगे, घरों के बाहर कम निकलेंगे. Yes, ये equation थोड़ी सी change हो गई. In the last few years, I would say outgoing बहुत ज़्यादा हो गई थी. But now with the things which are now, the current set of events which are happening around, it's going to be another important area where people would be investing a lot of money. So looking at this complete new set of new business opportunities, what is important is how your businesses are now shaping up, or अपने आप को आप बेंड कर रहे हो कि आप इस पर्टिकुलर कैटेगरीज के अंदर आप आ पाओ, और अपनी जो आपकी मेन प्रोडक्शन लाइंस हैं आपको उसको थोड़ा सा शिफ्ट करके you should start putting some of your production capacities into these areas. Yes, I would not say कि completely आप इसको shift करो, but this has been a lot of interaction and engagement which I've had with a lot of consultants in the last couple of breakout sessions that we had on Sotex. So ये बहुत सारी ऐसी areas निकल के आए हैं जहाँ पे उन्होंने कहा है कि people, खासकर manufacturers, they should start looking at diverting their businesses into a portion, maybe not the entire, but a portion of their business into such areas which are going to be a future demand areas. So these are the important opportunities that we all have to look into. Digital presence is going to be a very, very important area. Very, very important area, which I would say कि आज की डेट में अगर आपका बिजनेस डिजिटल पे नहीं है, अगर आप इंटरनेट पे नहीं है, तो आपका बिजनेस एग्जिस्ट, I would say आज की डेट में नहीं करता, बिकॉज अगर हम लॉकडाउन में हैं और लॉकडाउन में रह के भी अगर हमारे को एक दूसरे को नहीं देखना है और आपके बिजनेसेस को अगर आपको किसी को नया ऑर्डर प्लेस करना है, सो एवरीथिंग इज हैपनिंग वर्चुअली. So the first point of contact at this point of time is going to be all virtual. So I would request all of you guys to whosoever is being part of today's session. We have nearly about 100 plus people today. So you should take an effort to get into a digital size of business. With all 103 people who are present in the room today on this session, I would say make sure your business is there on internet, whether it is on Facebook or LinkedIn or Pinterest, whatever service that you look out for, even on a B2B forms. So Stotex is one of the verticals that is there on the screen now. But if you think you have platforms like Alibaba, IndiaMart, or other set of verticals, wherever you think it is important, आज की डेट में डिजिटल प्रेजेंस होना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. और खासकर आपके बिजनेस को, आपके यूएसपी को, आपके इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर को और आपकी कैटलॉग्स को, ये सारी चीजों को आपको इंटरनेट पर डालना ही पड़ेगा. So the only way new customers or your existing customers can make a differentiation between your competitors, or if they have to discover it, this is going to be an area which you have to work on. I would also like to add on to this important vertical. We have all been hearing on the internet or on the media that a lot of trade treaties have been signed between India, Japan, Australia, and America. So as these trade treaties are coming in, what it opens us nothing but a lot more opportunities for our manufacturing verticals which were not there in the past. And with this vertical which is not there in the past, I would say कि अगर आप समझें ऑस्ट्रेलिया एज अ कंट्री अगर वो इंटरनेट पे है, एंड दे बिफोर प्री कोविड वाले स्कोप के अंदर दे वर बाइंग जस्ट अबाउट 3% ऑफ देयर टेक्सटाइल रिक्वायरमेंट्स फ्रॉम इंडिया. 70% of the knives used to come from China. 28% or 27% used to come from countries like Bangladesh, Vietnam, and Indonesia. So, अगर आप समझिए कि ये वाला एक opportunity open होती है, if there are free trade treaties with the government and the political landscape are doing it, आप समझिए कितना बड़ा scope of business open होता है. And for the importers and the people who are sitting in Australia, the only way for them to discover businesses or manufacturers in India is if they see you online. So आप business की presence internet पर डालना बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी पड़ गया है. So make out videos, make out pictures, use the teams. आपकी teams जो हैं घर पे बैठी हुई हैं, or if they are coming to the office, and so the business is still like catching up. But this is users time to build up your digital presence. Put more and more information about your business, about your activities online, on the social media, restructure your websites, put it on B2B platforms. Like it is easier for people to discover you. आपकी profiles, आपके products, आपकी information, क्या-क्या चीजें आपके पास हैं, वो तभी discover हो सकती हैं कि जब आप internet पे हो. So these are going to be important critical areas where people will look forward to coming into play. और यही कुछ areas हैं जो निकल के आएंगे, जो आपको इसके अंदर I mean you have to figure out as to how your presence can be built up. So we will talk maybe more about on this a little later. I'll quickly move on to the next part of today's vertical. So today's vertical is all emphasizing upon stock, and particularly the surplus stock, which is one of the key pain areas for the textile industry. And that's where we have just brought you a solution which I would like most of you who are present in the room today to have a closer look. Normally problem क्या होती है surplus stock की, कि जो आपका area है as a manufacturer, you would be facing challenges which are on the stock side. If you are on the stock side, आपके पास normally ऐसे godowns होते हैं जहाँ पे आपके stocks piled up होते हैं, and some of the stocks are been there for seasons altogether. I don't say that this is not there with everyone, but this is a very evident situation with most of the companies in the textile sector, whether it is garments, whether it is fabric manufacturers, lace, buttons, zippers. कोई भी हो उनके पास सरप्लस स्टॉक्स हैं जो रिजल्टेंट क्या होता है कि ये देयर आर लॉट ऑफ डैमेजेस। अगर वो स्टॉक आपका पड़ा है अनअटेंडेड है, नॉन इट इज नॉट इन दी साइट, तो या तो वो पिलफरेज हो जाता है या वो खराब हो जाता है। एंड ऑन टॉप ऑफ एवरीथिंग व्हाट इज आल्सो देयर इज कि ये जो स्टॉक है आप उसको you are not able to see that stock. It is not there in your limelight. You're not able to see that stock. So क्या होता है कि it is maybe you may have one location, you may have 2, 3, 4, 5 locations. बट ये होता क्या है कि ये जो स्टॉक जो होता है ये पड़ा होता है और आपके जहन में नहीं होता है, तो बार आप नया ऑर्डर भी आता है तो वो स्टॉक मिस आउट होके नए ऑर्डर की प्रोडक्शन बननी शुरू हो जाती है. And on the other hand, what also happens is the fact that if the buyers are looking out for cheaper goods, क्योंकि आज के सिनेरियो में of course with the different situations coming in COVID-19 or maybe before COVID-19 also, the mantra was all shifting us towards the fast forward fashion कि आपके पास immediately stock क्या पड़ा हुआ है, आप कैसे उसको निकाल सकते हैं और कैसे उसको आप यूज कर सकते हैं. Buyers wants to see what is readily available, और वो readily available होने के लिए people have to figure out कि वो जो चीजें readily available होती हैं उसके अंदर हम लोग क्या कर सकते हैं, how we can find out something which is readily available. Nobody has time आज की डेट में to figure out कि ये सब चीजें हम कैसे इसको यूज करें. So what we have done here is nothing but finding a solution as to how these two areas can be brought together. On one side, I would say कि if there are companies who can put their stock on a single interface, which is a platform like Sotex, wherein you can put in your stocks, you can upload your stock and images, and on the other side, buyers can find where they can ready stock. It can be on the fabrics, it can be on the trims, it can be on the accessories. And idea is कि जो चीज उनको सामने नजर आए, ये प्रिंट है, ये बटन है, ये जिपर है, कलर मैच हो रहा है, immediately they can see किस फैक्ट्री के पास है, क्या उसकी स्पेसिफिकेशंस हैं, क्या उसका लॉट का साइज है, क्या बैच का साइज है, किस कस्टमर के लिए बनाया है उसने, to understand the quality. And you can quickly exchange your interaction, you can send your inquiries, you can connect with the person on the real-time basis, and the transactions can be done through a handshake. Normally what we are offering here is a solution called Surplus Cloud. Surplus Cloud ke andar on one side the suppliers are putting in their surplus stock or the inventory. It can be suppliers, it can be garment manufacturer, garment exporters who are sitting on the idle or maybe the surplus thing which have been there. या तो कोई cancel shipments हो गई हैं और cancel shipments को हम कैसे liquidate करें वो normally नहीं पता चल पाता. So once you put in this particular vertical, इस वर्टिकल से डालने के बाद आपको क्या होता है कि you have the chance of connecting to both the domestic side as well as the international buyers. Yes, it cannot be a branded labels like H&M, Zara, those kind of people are not buying those kind of surplus stock, but definitely a second tier or a third tier kind of buyers in the same countries or in the countries which are Russian or Far Eastern European countries, African countries. A lot of those people are now trying to discover the over the internet. So what Sotex has done is nothing but created an organized platform where both the sides can discover each other, not only on the garment side but all on the complete vertical side. Yes, on one side the suppliers get an advantage of putting it, and the other side the buyers are able to discover it, and the transaction can be done at a lower cost. So generally what we have seen, जो kind of transactions जो हमने दी हैं या जो हमारे platform पे कुछ महीनों में हुई थी पिछले last 2-3 months before when we launched this platform, surplus stock gateway on the on our platform. So जो भी transactions हुई, they have all been less than 25, 30, 40, 50% of their actual price. So it is a win-win situation for both the sides, wherein on one side the suppliers are able to sell the material and the other side the buyers are able to find at a lower cost. Now, how do you do this is one area which is you can upload it on an app or through a website. You have the window which gives you an option to upload this, and on the other side you can search this stock. The search complete, you can apply the filters here. Filters करके आप search कर सकते हो. If you see this dashboard here, it is on a very clear screen. आपके simple dashboard के ऊपर आपके पास on one side you can see the complete stock which is available on Sotex. जो भी आपको चीज चाहिए, चाहे वो गारमेंट्स चाहिए, मेन गारमेंट्स चाहिए, आपको सिर्फ फिल्टर्स लगाने हैं, फिल्टर लगा के आप मेन गारमेंट्स के जहाँ पे भी जिस भी लोकेशन के अंदर वो स्टॉक पड़ा हुआ है, आप एटलीस्ट उसको प्रीमिनरली डिस्कवर कर सकते हो। डिस्कवरी पार्ट जो है वो हमने सोटेक्स में इसके अंदर सोल्यूशनिंग दी है। Even if you are looking for something new, you can post your new requirements. आप requirement post कर सकते हो, और requirements can be traced as a manufacturer also and as a buyer also. So both the things are openly available to the people. The idea is that we want the transaction to happen, the commerce to happen on the virtual gateway, and we have made a simple platform wherein both the sites can be discovered on an equal basis at on your mobile phone itself. So if you're sitting on your cancelled stock or your dead stock, and another important vertical that we've just launched is Facebook. On the Facebook, you can see this complete new stocks which are coming in. So you can join the group called Sotex Stock on the Facebook, and you can see जितने भी नए stocks आ रहे हैं, चाहे कोई फैब्रिक का दे रहा है, बटन्स का दे रहा है, जो भी साइजेबल स्टॉक्स आ रहे हैं, वी विल बी कीप शेयरिंग फेसबुक. So अगर आपको लगता है कि it is difficult or to discover or anything, or you want the information to be given at your convenience, the information is also there on the Facebook. आप भी कर सकते हैं, or you can reach out to people on on the numbers mentioned here. You can reach out to a customer care team, or you can even write to us. These stocks are can be on the apparel side, home furnishing side, made-ups, fabrics. Yes, one thing I would also like to share is the fact that some of you have also shared us with the concern that some of your stocks are from the buyers, and you are not allowed to sell openly. Sotex does not give you any kind of restrictions on this particular area. If you think you want to liquidate your stock without the label, you are free to do that. अभी हमें पता है कि a lot of people have got stuck on the surplus inventory. और ये इन्वेंट्री बिकॉज ऑफ द कैंसिल शिपमेंट भी रही, या फिर ऑर्डर्स आपके चल रहे थे और सडनली ड्यू टू लॉकडाउन अक्रॉस द वर्ल्ड द ऑर्डर्स हैव बीन गॉट कैंसिल्ड. तो आप अपने स्टॉक्स को सोटेक्स पे डाल सकते हो, एंड यू कैन वो आप एक्सपोज कर सकते हैं. इट इज नथिंग बट फाइंडिंग अ राइट बायर फॉर योर मर्चेंडाइज. एंड इन केस अगर आपको लगता है कि वो आपको इन्फॉर्मेशन डालनी नहीं चाहिए या कुछ भी ऐसा है, या आपका स्टॉक का लेबल वाला गाइडलाइंस है, what you can do is you can avoid the labels, you can put the different label, you want to put your own local labels, you can do that. So Sotex does not give you any kind of restrictions, and neither are we as part of the internet policy, we do not have any such restrictions कि आप वो चीजें नहीं डाल सकते. So it is completely up to the buyers to figure out buying. It is up to the vendors to sell out. So we have given an option for you to sell your old season stock, your new season stock, even your raw material which has been lying cancelled. So even if you have a machinery which has not been put in use and you want to liquidate it, Sotex gives you an option to liquidate that machinery as well. So across complete textile value chain, we are giving you this option. We have some questions that I would like to take up one-on-one as we go. Take some questions as well on this. There are questions. PS, can you read the questions?
There is one question from Mr. Vijayanand. Yeah. And Vijayanand want to know, hi, we are into men's fashion segment, focusing on knits only. I'm having huge stock in my warehouse where I don't want to sell them for dead price. So kindly advise what will be the best opportunity I should explore for selling those stocks, at least for the cost price.
See, Mr. Vijay, what happens is that the market is very dynamic and it is all depending upon the demand and the supply. What Sotex helps you do is कि आपके पास कुछ भी stock है, आपका जो stock अनएक्सपोज पड़ा हुआ है आपके वेयर हाउस के अंदर या आपके ऑफिसेस के अंदर या फैक्ट्रीज के अंदर, एटलीस्ट यू हैव द ऑप्शन ऑफ एक्सपोजिंग इट टू अ लॉट मेनी पीपल अक्रॉस डिफरेंट ज्योग्राफीज. चाहे आप if you're in the north side, you can expose it towards the northern belt which is there, or across from everywhere in India. Also, what it also happens to you is we do not tell you to liquidate anything which is at a price which is less than your cost price. हम लोग आपको ऑप्शन दे रहे हैं कि आप प्राइस अपना डाल सकते हैं उसके ऊपर, वट एवर यू फील इज राइट, उस प्राइस के ऊपर कस्टमर आर अवेलेबल, if the customers are available and they're willing to buy, of course you can engage with them. In case if there is any offer, अगर आज supposedly आपने 10,000 meters का फैब्रिक का स्टॉक डाला और आपने प्राइस दिया उसके ऊपर 30 रुपीज, आई एम जस्ट गिविंग यू एन एग्जाम्पल, उस 30 रुपीज के बेसिस के ऊपर आपको इंक्वायरी आ सकती है, या फिर buyer can put up his own offer and say कि I do not want to buy it at 30 rupees, I want to buy it at 25 rupees, 22 rupees or 20 rupees. We don't know. So that kind of options are available. At least हमारे प्लेटफॉर्म में what done is we are creating the first level of engagement for you, so that अगर आपके पास पहले जो स्टॉक आपका डिस्कवर नहीं हो पाता था वो एटलीस्ट डिस्कवर हो, और वो डिस्कवर होने के साथ साथ में आप उसकी वैल्यू क्रिएट कर पाओ और उसके साथ में लोगों से, नए लोगों से आप कनेक्ट कर पाओ. So once you start connecting with the new people, the opportunities creates and the engagement starts coming in, and that's how you can take up a call based on the requirements, based on the terms between you and the buyer कि अगर आपको वो माल बेचना है नहीं बेचना. बट एटलीस्ट क्या होता है कि आपके स्टॉक के ऊपर आपके पास इंफॉर्मेशन और इंक्वायरीज आनी शुरू हो जाती है. सेल इट और नॉट एट व्हाटएवर प्राइस इज बीन ऑफर्ड टू यू. So I hope I have been able to, answer this.
I mean, this is very rightly said and explained by Mr. Sonil. Sometimes we have an situation कि हमारे पास स्टॉक पड़ा होता है स्टोर के अंदर and we do not know what price the stocks are being sold at. So sometimes we fail to decide the price for that. So this is a situation with almost many exporters and people who are sitting with the surplus stocks like in their factories. But the best part is you can put your stocks here, give your target price, and let the buyers come back to you and negotiate on the prices. So you can get the best deal out of here, because we are showing these stocks to the masses, a lot of people in the market.
So ji, there are some more questions, PS.
Yeah, Mr. Saad is having one question. My question is how we can improve the business in rural areas, and what kind of products can we sell in the rural areas?
So what kind of products के अंदर ऐसा है कि रूरल एरियाज के अंदर जो प्रोडक्ट्स होते हैं वो ज़्यादातर लो प्राइस के होते हैं. So in case if you are making it for fast forward fashion kind of brands, या फिर आप किसी इकोनॉमिक ब्रांड के लिए काम कर रहे हो या मास मार्केट ब्रांड के लिए आप बना रहे हैं, और उसके अंदर से भी अगर आपके पास प्रोडक्ट्स बच जाते हैं और देयर आर फैब्रिक एक्सेसरीज जो भी आपके बच जाती हैं, सो उन सारे प्रोडक्ट्स को आप लीन सीजन के अंदर आप लो कॉस्ट में आप बना सकते हो. और आज की डेट में जैसे मैंने बताया कि एम कॉमर्स और ई कॉमर्स, देयर आर टू स्पेसिफिक कैटेगरीज जो आज की डेट में निकल के आ रही हैं. सो इफ यू हैव प्रोडक्ट्स, lot of these products are now getting sold on through m-commerce and e-commerce through a platform like Jabong, Mantra, Amazon, Paytm. इन सब के थ्रू प्रोडक्ट्स बिक रहे हैं, फ्लिपकार्ट, इन सब के थ्रू प्रोडक्ट्स भी. ओके, अगर आपके पास लो कॉस्ट प्रोडक्ट्स हैं और आप या फास्ट, अगर आपकी कोई कैंसल शिपमेंट्स हैं, आप अपने ब्रांड्स में I'm not saying कि आप रेडी वाले स्टॉक्स को या जो इमीडिएट सीजन के स्टॉक्स को आप इमीडिएटली आप पैरेलली सेल करना शुरू कर दो. ऑफ कोर्स बायर्स मे हैव द ऑब्जेक्शन इन दैट पर्टिकुलर एरिया, बट अगर आपके पुराने स्टॉक्स पड़े हुए हैं, यू कैन चेंज द लेबल बट एंड यू कैन अपलोड देम on maybe at Amazon or Flipkart. So आज की डेट में ये सारे के सारे पोर्टल्स आप फ्री लॉगिन एक्सेस देते हैं जहाँ पे आप इंफॉर्मेशन को शेयर कर सकते हो. And with digital marketing and the social media which is coming into play, Facebook also offers you an option to liquidate your stocks. LinkedIn gives you an option to connect with people who are into this particular area in the distribution channel. So you can go and explore these areas openly on the internet. और घर पे बैठे बैठे अगर आपके पास या ऑफिस में बैठ के और करंट सिचुएशन के अगर आपकी चीजें इंटरनेट के ऊपर हैं, तो आप देखेंगे कि आपके पास इंक्वायरीज धीरे धीरे आनी शुरू हो जाएंगी. इट मे नॉट हैपन इमीडिएटली ऑन द फर्स्ट डे, बट जैसे जैसे आप अपने सोशल मीडिया पे अपनी प्रोफाइल, अपने प्रोडक्ट्स को और अपनी डिटेलिंग को, खासकर कि व्हेन यू आर पुटिंग द प्रोडक्ट्स, डोंट जस्ट पुट द प्रोडक्ट लाइक दिस. आप अपने प्रोडक्ट्स के साथ में पूरी उसकी डिटेलिंग डालिए. अगर आपका सपोज कीजिए, अगर इफ यू आर मेकिंग अ टॉप, अगर आप एक विमेन का टॉप बना रहे हैं, अगर लेडीज का टॉप बना रहे हैं, ब्लाउज बना रहे हैं, तो आप उसकी पूरी स्पेसिफिकेशन लिखिए कि उसका क्या साइजिंग है, क्या रेशियो है, कलर कॉम्बिनेशन में आप बना के दे रहे हो और क्या साइजिंग में अवेलेबल है वो. जितनी ज्यादा आप इंफॉर्मेशन इंटरनेट पे डालेंगे उतनी ज्यादा इंफॉर्मेशन के बेसिस के ऊपर ट्रांजैक्शन और एंगेजमेंट्स आने के आपके पास चांसेस हैं. So these kind of things are very value added areas. There is another very important vertical which I want to highlight here is Google My Business. Google has offered My Business accounts to a lot of people and they are all for free. तो आप Google My Business पे भी अपनी लिस्टिंग कर सकते हो अपने प्रोडक्ट्स की. So there are ways to do it. There are areas as to आपके अंदर Google की लिस्टिंग के अंदर आप कैसे लेके आ सकते हो, अपने प्रोडक्ट्स की सर्चेबिलिटी कैसे लेके आ सकते हो. बहुत सारे इंपॉर्टेंट एरियाज हैं जो आप डिजिटल मार्केटिंग के थ्रू आप समझ सकते हैं. लॉट ऑफ इन्फॉर्मेशन इज देयर ऑन द गूगल इटसेल्फ. अगर आप गूगल पर टाइप करके देखें कि हाउ टू गेन मोर इनसाइट अबाउट इट, तो ये आप सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन आप वहां से शेयर कर सकते हो, आप ले सकते हो. बाकी Sotex is all as I mentioned out to you, Sotex is also running this initiative जहाँ पे भी आप चाहो, भी vertical geography में आप करना चाहो और particularly niche segment में करना चाहो, you can reach out to us and our teams and we can also help you support in that particular area.
So before we go to the next question, Mr. Vijayanand has added other part of the question. Once the leads are converted into orders, how payments will be handled? Please advise.
So it is a very good question, Mr. Anand. What is now happening in the current economic space and in the current e-commerce spaces? There are gateways and there are facilities which have got opened up. I also wanted to take you through this one more slide, if you all permit us. PS, can I just take one more slide? I've just missed out. So this will actually help us to address this question in a much more right manner. So we have created an additional support vertical for liquidation of your surplus stock. Now, how this vertical works is Sotex will help you support. Sotex will support its member to liquidate the stock. We will do the marketing of these stocks over the internet for you. For the people who do not have the resources or who do not understand how to handle this area well, Sotex is willing to extend the support in this particular area. And we would be, as I mentioned out to you, आपके जो भी detailing हो, आपका stock की हो, आपकी location हो, आपका target price हो, आप हमें दे सकते हो, and our team will do the marketing for you. There is a small transaction fee that we have kept it for this area so that it is making a meaningful area, and the kind of resources that we put in, we are not taking the money upfront on this particular area, but based on the transaction, we are charging about 5% of the stock value. अगर आपका stock, for example, 1 लाख रुपए की आपके पास shirts का stock है 1 लाख रुपए का, so we will be charging 5% of the stock value to liquidate that stock. So 5% is only up till the value of 5 lakh rupees. Anything above 5 lakh rupees, we will be charging 3%. So 3% is nothing but creating the marketing collaterals, engaging with the customers, helping you support and close the price. And once the things are towards the final stages, we will also help you support on the inspection side. So this is an area which is not only for the supplying community, but we are also doing it for the buying community also. As a buyer also, they want to ensure कि जो product उनके पास आ रहा है, it is inspected and it is validated. So we would be validating this area based on third-party inspections, as well as on our ground teams, which are our forward teams in certain geographies which we have. So we'll be doing it on a AQL level of 4 to 5 के basis के ऊपर हम लोग काम करेंगे इसके ऊपर, and we will help you facilitate the payments of this stock sale. So currently we are opening up in few cities, but very soon we'll be opening up in various areas. Thank you so much to Mr. Anand for bringing out this question. I thought of putting it on the last side, but nevertheless, yeah. So as I mentioned on the additional support vertical, these are the things which we are offering on the additional support, wherein people can liquidate their stock. Sotex will do a digital marketing on the internet to help people to liquidate their stocks. Members can share the details of the stock on the Sotex with this location and the target price that they intend to sell. And Sotex will be charging a small fee, which is a small transaction fee of 5% of the stock price. So this is nothing but cover our expenses and engagements from the teams on this particular vertical. For the value of the stock, which is less than 5 lakh rupees, we'll be charging 5% as the transaction value. And for the value which is above 5 lakh rupees, we'll be charging 3%. So we would be also covering the inspection in this particular area in the same price that we have mentioned out to you. These inspection charges are based on the initial confirmation coming from the buyers, and this is also to safeguard the interest of the buyers. कि buyers का जो भी merchandise उनके पास एक लोकेशन दूसरी लोकेशन पे जा रही है, वो merchandise sellable condition में हो and quality condition में हो, चाहे वो जो भी quality है. So we have kept a quality standard of 4.5, AQL 4.5. इस basis के ऊपर उसकी inspection होगी, and we will facilitate the payments for you. The payment will come to directly we will facilitate the payments on the stock sale. And currently Sotex is offering this in few cities, and as the demand comes in, as the vertical comes in, we will be opening up a lot of textile zones जहाँ पे भी हम third party के through हम काम कर सकते हैं. हम उनके through ये information करके और inspection करा के we can help people to liquidate particular stock. So this is what I would like to share, and thank you again to Mr. Anand for bringing up this point.
Inspection, the quality, and the payment, these are two major concerns while anybody is dealing in the stocks. So Sotex is looking to both these issues very carefully, and hope this it answers your questions and queries on this. So another question, Sunilji, is from
Mr. Sanjay. Mr. Sanjay has a question that is, you have a facility in Mumbai. So right now we do not have a facility in Mumbai, but we are working through our channel partners in different geographies. Right now we are in Delhi, NCR, Rajasthan, and Ludhiana. We also have the frontline teams in Erode, which is covering the complete Tamil Nadu region, and in Dhaka, which takes care of our complete engagements in the Bangladesh sector. So at all these locations, we are engaging with the people. We are helping them liquidate the stocks in that particular area, in the geographies. Very soon, depending upon what kind of demands are coming in and from where the requirements are coming in, we would be shortly opening up the facilities in that particular areas also. Yeah. And we're opening, we are quite open to collaborations and engagements for the people who would like to explore this vertical. We can take up this with them on offline mode, on one-to-one basis. Yes, thank you so much.
So Mr. Madhusudan has come up with a very interesting question, and which is very important one. This is a very common, problem faced by maximum manufacturers. So what if we have the stock surplus of assorted pieces? Because whenever the shipments are being shipped, so manufacturers are always left with some assorted quantities.
So what again, the avenues what are currently available is there are avenues which are on the on the internet. Apart from this, there are a lot of stock lots buyers in the small towns. So we have a small network of about 30-40 supply buyers who are buying this broken quantities. Of course, the price is something which you can take it up on one-to-one basis, or Sotex can also help you facilitate these transactions. But these stocks can go in smaller cities, and people are willing to take up this quantity at a lower price. So one thing is, there is a market to it. The price is something which you can negotiate, or Sotex can help you negotiate on this. But there is definitely a market to it, and people are ready to buy it at a given cost. So ये सारी चीजें available हैं, और ये इसकी market भी है. Even if you have some good quality garments, sometimes अगर आपके पास high quality के garments हैं, which are highly embellished with the trims and accessories, there are buyers who are particularly working in this segment for Eastern European countries as well as for the African countries. अगर आपके पास उन sizes के अंदर वो stock पड़ा हुआ है, so which you normally do it for US or Europe or maybe the other Middle East markets, so those people can be interested, and we can help you bridge with that particular community as well. So both on the domestic side as well as on the international side, depending upon what kind of volume you have and what kind of quantities you have, what are the price points you have, there can always be a synergy and people that we can connect you with on.
Mr. Madhusudan from Bangalore is having fabric stocks. He's mainly into the home textiles, and he's having a lot of fabric stocks in his store. So can they convert the ready products as per the customer's requirements? And do we have buyers who are interested in those products? And can we get the better prices out of this?
So, Mr. Madhusudan, yes, there definitely are buyers who can you can approach to it, and what is important is they would like to understand कि आप क्या USP क्या है, आप men, women, kids, home किस जगह पे आपकी USP है, कहाँ पे किस तरीके की आप quality बना सकते हो. Of course, अगर आपके पास stocks पड़े हुए हैं fabrics के, one good advantage you have is you can quickly do a turnaround. और जो आज की डेट में जो अभी as I we have been talking on this for a lot of buying houses, buying agencies, a lot of people are buying goods and ready-made garments which are from the fabrics that are readily available, क्योंकि उनको 20 days 25 days या 30 days के अंदर उनको shipments चाहिए, and as we are going much more closer to the season, so people would like to definitely work for on the readily available stocks. अगर आपके पास वो high quality के stocks हैं and they are export quality, you just have to send the sample specifications, or you can share your information online, or even show your complete infrastructure of your facilities online, and based on that you can get quick orders to start off with. Yes, there are segments which you can explore into this area, or अपनी information, if you share your profile or information with Sotex team, Sotex team can connect you with a lot of such small or boutique buyers from various other geographies. So if you have got exposure towards the Middle East side, or on the Africa side, or the Eastern European side, so उन सारी जगहों से आपको ये business मिल सकता है, and that's the opportunity you can harness to it. And I think it's worth exploring and having an engagement on that particular front.
It's all the more a good problem, because there must be a lot of domestic brands even who would be looking for small quantities and at a good turnaround time.
Yes.
So we have a question from Mr. Kanan. What would you suggest for a company having 50,000 boys wears export order cancelled stock?
50,000 what? Sorry.
Boys wear.
Boys wear.
Yeah.
So there are 2-3 kind of opportunities here. One is have an export shipment, and आप अगर liquidate करना चाहते हो, तो there are domestic buyers who are willing to buy into different regions, depending upon what sizing and gradings that you have. Of course, if it is suitable for Indian bodies, and if it is suitable for Indian markets, yes, there are opportunities where you can connect to the distributors and wholesalers, buyers in this particular region. Also, अगर आपके पास वो cancelled shipment है, if it is from the buyer, if it is करने के लिए, of course you have to do your digital imaging, profiling of your product. अगर आप उसको ठीक से product को, if you're profiling it better, and you expose it in a right manner on the internet, there is obviously an opportunities that can come your way, a momentum. Of course, there will be a price that you can negotiate, and you can think whether you want to do it or not, or that price. But yes, I would say there is a market that you can cater out to, and we can help you liquidate on that particular front as well. You can also try doing it on eBay or Amazon, or in case if you are tied up with Flipkart, on such a huge quantity, you can explore the m-commerce vertical as well. So you should definitely look at when you these companies also. If not, if you want to get into a bulk deal kind of a transaction, then yes, we can also help you into get onto this bulk deal transaction side. Yeah.
There's a question from Mr. Ashok. He just wanted to know whether Sotex is having access to the stocks abroad also to buy, which are in demand in India.
Yes, we have tie-ups from countries like Bangladesh and Vietnam. So in case if you're looking at winter products, jackets, lowers, denims, so those kind of products are there in huge availability is there in that particular countries, and we already have a front-end team in Bangladesh where they are connected to about 600 garment exporters, and in case if you are willing to buy at a lower cost, we can definitely connect you in case if there is anything particularly that you're looking out for. If you're looking to buy certain product category, like India is not very strong in the winter wear segment at this point of time. That's another big opportunity which is available with us. But in case if you are looking to buy on that particular category, we can connect you on that category as well.
Murthy want to know how can buyers be approved, and like if they are selling online, so what will be the medium of online, and how the buyers will be approved? Will they be selling on their websites or on Facebook or on any other way?
So if you are looking, if you are a manufacturer and if you're looking to work with a buyer who is selling online, so today I would say with the current set of developments which have happened in the last few months, internet has become much more penetrated area. So आज की डेट में people are not going to be going to the shopping malls or in the retail stores to buy their merchandise. Everybody is going to be buying online only. A lot of this has happened in Europe and US, even in Middle East. India is still catching up on the online buying space. Yes, in the last 5 years, thanks to Amazon, Flipkart, and Jabong and Mantra, a lot of buying behavior has shifted to internet. At this point of time, I would say you should and you should not fear out of the fact where the buyers are going to be selling it. Yes, it is going to come online somewhere or the other. In case if the community जहाँ पे भी आप बेच रहे हैं, if the markets are matured, if they have already shifted to an online medium, अगर वो online buying पे shift हो गए, जहाँ पे consumer buying patterns change हो गए हैं, so in those markets, of course, the things are going to come online. If you think as a manufacturer, if you think कि label is going to be a challenge for you, you can change your labels, you can send it. अगर आपके पास, if you've not made the garments, you have the fabrics and you don't, it is not there, it is not converted into a garment at this point of time, you can change the styling slightly. आप styling change करके आप बेच सकते हैं. So this is something which you all, I mean, we all understand as part of the textile community. If the orders have been cancelled, that there is a community you can sell it out to you. So you just have to reshape the design and all things can be possible. And buyers, we cannot say कि they are going to be selling only on the retail side or on the wholesale side. So we have people from all over the geographies in different formats of selling. And as I mentioned again, मैं reiterate करूँगा कि internet is becoming an important vertical to selling in near future. So you should not be getting afraid of that particular vertical. If you are a buyer, you should definitely look at converting your business and taking it online.
Mr. Sudhir Grover is coming up with a question. Do you have the facility for selling hard goods too, in addition to the textiles for stocks? Also, do you feel initial prices offering can defeat the purpose? Maybe some people can afford better who are in dire need of that fabric or that particular product.
I would say people can afford depending upon whatever is the offered pricing are. There are times when the buyers would like to say yes. There are times that the buyers like to say no. Affordability is something which is more of the buyers and the supplier demand. If the buyer is ready to pick up your product at or a garment at the price that he feels he's able to sell it, he'll definitely buy it. For example, if there are denims which are coming from Bangladesh and if it is priced at $3 and the manufacturing of denim in India is let's say $5, I'm just taking a hypothetical example. On that ground, definitely people would look at buying a denim at $3. And if somebody has proposed you that they want to offer it at $3, let's say 10,000 pairs, you would definitely like to take a hedge on that particular vertical and buy it from Bangladesh rather than getting it made from India. So it is more of a demand and supply kind of a equation which is there. And I leave it on purely on the fact that agar aapko requirement hai, you would definitely go on and you can buy it. If you don't have a requirement, you can always say no to it, or you can offer your counter price. So on both the accounts, there is an option to connect and at least exchange the thoughts.
Although we are not dealing into hard goods right now, but do you have any suggestions for him on hard goods?
Well, no, we are not getting into an hard goods category. Our domain expertise is into the garments area, the textiles area. But yes, the buyers are, we have a section of buyer community which is into hard goods also. They're buying garments also. They're offering, they're also buying hard goods also.
They are commonly doing both the things.
Yes, so in case if there is anything available, you can share it on to us. Right now, we have not made any specific provisioning or category for the hard goods because that's a very, very big category altogether. And we do not have any domain expertise in that area. But yes, in case if somebody wants to offer or buying or selling, we can connect them directly to the engaged people. I mean, to the concerned set of buyers or the suppliers in that particular category.
So Mr. Sadat has a question. If a person coming from rural area want to start a business, what would be the strategies? So उनके लिए क्या strategies हम suggest कर सकते हैं? Like it's more of a consulting question for you, Sunil.
So I would say in case अगर आप rural area से आए हो and आपके पास markets है, so there are two ways of looking into it. One, either you have a market where you want to sell the product, or you have a market where you can manufacture the product. अगर आप रूरल मार्केट में अगर आप एज अ बायर आ रहे हो तो वन ऑप्शन इज कि आपके पास सोटेक्स के थ्रू एक अपॉर्चुनिटी बन सकती है कि वेर यू कैन बाय अ प्रोडक्ट विच इज रेडीली मेड फॉर not only for the domestic market, also for the export market. So when you say export market, it is the quality is slightly more better. I wouldn't say कि in domestic market में the quality is any inferior. It is in today's world the qualities are more or less similar on both the sides. But in the export side, there are certain norms in terms of the quality standards that are being laid out where the buyers are regular about it. And those kind of products, you can buy it at a very, very good prices, very, very reasonable prices. So if you want to get into a vertical, अगर आपके पास domestic, जहाँ पे भी जिस भी area से आप हो, any geography that you belong to, if you have a market access, अगर if you have access to stores, the retail counters in that particular area, you should definitely look at exploring this opportunity. You can buy the export quantities at a smaller batches also, and you can sell in this rural areas. Time everybody is having television, internet, mobile phone in every single vertical of India. तो आपके पास everybody is aware कि आज की डेट में latest trend क्या है, and thanks to Bollywood and our entertainment industry, people would like to buy and get dress up. And the advantage of coming here as a part of the manufacturing country, as a part of the manufacturing vertical, is you can get a lot of this merchandise from different geographies, and you can capitalize on that particular area of selling and buying from various geography and selling in your local particular city or region that you belong to. So that kind of opportunity you can explore through online. Yeah, and Sodex can also help you on that particular vertical.
Mr. Kanan Krishnamurthy is asking, what about Bangalore and Coimbatore? I think he want to know whether we are available there. I can answer this since we are, online. This is our Sotex is a digital presence, so we can connect buyers and suppliers along all the geographies, as Sunilji has already told you. And Bangalore, we don't have right now physical presence, but yes, we have the connections, and we can very well get you the connections from on both the sides, buyers as well as the suppliers. So contact Mr. Vijayanand is asking for the contact details of Erode office, so that will be shared to you one-to-one. Mr. Gopal Bhumla, do you want? Okay, do we need to do photo shoot?
Yes, photo shoots are very important for people to reach out and understand your product. Professional photo shoots are not important at this point of time, but yes, आज की डेट में क्या होता है कि everyone has got a smartphones. So if you have a product and so आप क्या कर सकते हो, you can create a small video of this. Small video which can be a 5-second or 10-second video wherein you can put it on the dummy and do a 360-degree kind of a view of that particular product. तो उससे क्या होता है कि whenever a buyer is seeing that product in a different geography, he is understanding कि वो product क्या जो look है वो क्या आएगा. And if you can put the dimensions also, so it helps people to understand your products very very categorically what exactly are the dimension, what kind of size fit it reaches out to. And very important also is the fact that uska content kya hai, whether you are into polyester cottons or you're doing PC, whatever is the content. So the more information that you put it on the internet, whether it is on internet or on Sotex, कहीं पे भी आपको लगता है आप बेचना चाहें आप बेच सकते हैं. But on both the verticals, information is the key. So till the time you do not put the information of what the product is, without a picture, it is not workable. So the pictures are important. A better high resolution picture, अगर आप अपने phone से ले रहे हैं, you take it in the good light, maybe in a white light or in a yellow light, whatever works for you. आप जो भी लाइट्स में लेना चाहें लेके उसका पूरा इमेज फ्रंट एंड बैक व्यू प्लीज उसको कैप्चर करके आप उसको पोस्ट कीजिए. When you do that, people are able to understand what exactly is the product, and then the rest of the information can be carried out once the engagement starts building up.
So Dheerji is coming up with a question: how we can sell?
Mr. Arvind Singh has a question. I think why only price and why not price best quality? So I would also say a fact that quality today is a given norm. आज की डेट में quality is a given norm, so you cannot say कि the product that you are saying is not going to be low quality. It has to pass through a minimum acceptable quality norm. So minimum acceptable quality norm is the standard format now, not only within India, but everywhere in the world. So everywhere in the world, तो सब जगह पे आ ही चुका है. India is also part of it. So today, if anyone who has to buy a garment, he has to ensure that the stitching is proper, it is not torn off, the yarns are not coming out. So that kind of norms are very, very important. So I would say quality is a given statement आज की date में. It is a given statement. Yes, in the moment you go for more embellished and high quality and high premium products, वहाँ पे quality is a far more important area in this particular vertical. So quality, I would say, is one area where everyone as a part of the manufacturing vertical as well as a buying vertical has to now start accepting the fact that we have to make and sell only the quality products.
So Sudhir ji wanted to know, how can we sell branded surplus assorted stock of apparels if there is no specific letter of release, as the buyer cancelled just during the COVID situations?
So Sudhir ji, this is an understanding which is there between a buyer and a supplier. I would say कि आज की date में most of the brands overseas are in a situation which we all understand that it is not. A lot of brands are closing down, all they have filed bankruptcy. Even if the stock is on hold, yes, if you're doing it for major brands and you're into any kind of written agreement with them that without permission you cannot liquidate it, you should not be doing it. That's my sincere advice on this particular area. You should only get into a vertical where buyers have released it. Agar if you are already in an agreement with them that you will not sell the merchandise without the permission, आपको permission ले लेनी चाहिए, लेने के बाद ही merchandise को stock liquidate करना चाहिए.
And I think if the buyer has cancelled a situation, particular situation, let it be in the COVID situation, so you can always seek approval from buyer.
One more important area, as I mentioned out to you, was we have already mentioned the fact that a lot of merchandise is now getting sold online. So अगर आपको ऐसी कोई situation नजर आती है, तो if the buyers are online, so there are buyers which are all 2-3 kinds, I would say. There are buyers who are very, very proactive in terms of they are selling online through their own websites, and they are selling online through a different channel website, or they are selling only through their retail formats. So a lot of these kind of buyers are, centered around, beach areas, जहाँ पे, ऐसे products line जाते हैं जहाँ ज़्यादा online की shopping में इनको फर्क नहीं पड़ता. And a lot of those styles are very generic and basic in nature. So those kind of stocks I think you can openly sell it unless you have any confirmation with the buyer that they would be asking those in the near future.
We have a few of the attendees who are raising their hands, so I would like to request you can put all your queries and questions in Q&A section, and we will take it from there.
Also, I want to, if I to just give a quick, more things about what Sotex is doing. I'll take about another 2-3 minutes. I've got 4-5 more slides that I would like to share. For the people who have joined us now, and we have people, Sotex also offers a lot of other tools in this particular area, which is on, besides the stock liquidation, we are also offering on the design management, idle capacity and real-time engagements. I'll quickly take you through this area. So what happens is, as a part of the virtual community, Sotex helps you connect to both the side of the vertical. On one side, you can connect on the buyer side. On the other side, you can connect to the supplier side. ये दोनों साइड में connect करके, if you are a manufacturer, you can get the inquiries from the buyers also. And if you are a manufacturer, you can source your raw material, which are fabric, trims, accessories, machinery, anything as part of the standard vertical on Sotex. So both sides of engagement can be done through your single gateway. The way it also happens as a part of the buying community, what you can put it is, there is a dashboard, you can go, there is a form, you can put in your requirements there, and the inquiry form gets generated. And what happens is, the moment all your responses keep coming in, the responses are all there on the on this particular window. So on one single interface, यानी कि आपके पास अगर एक chat window, अगर एक inquiry window है, उसके अंदर जितनी भी responses हैं pertaining to that particular product, you can see it in one single go. The responses can be on price, delivery, quality, any form of engagement. You can also get to know about the suppliers, their background, their profiling. So a lot of those kind of information manuals are available, and everything is available on the app itself. So all the information we have collated and made it on the app itself for people to make it much easier. So these are sort of all suppliers that you can connect. There are thousands of suppliers which are connected on Sotex. You can connect to most of the suppliers on our digital gateway. You can reach out to them. Any information or any inquiry that you post, they reach out to a lot of them and they can reply you, and you can engage with them on the virtual app itself. What we also help you do is connect through the complete value chain. Complete value chain connect kar sakte ho. As I said, on the top there is a buying community, which is brands, buying houses, and the retail chains which are there, who are just on the buying side. Then you have garment and home manufacturers, along with it for both for the domestic as well as for the export side. Fabric, trims and accessories manufacturer, आप इनके साथ connect कर सकते हो as part of the value chain. And towards the bottom of the chain, which are people who are into the machinery supplies, allied services, or who are supporting this industry. All people, the entire value chain, you can connect on one single app itself. So the complete community gateway access you can get here. So you can connect on to all the formats of the businesses, whether it is small, medium, or large. And the potential users, as I mentioned out to you, are all there who are business owners, designers, merchandisers, their complete teams. They're all part of this vertical. So there are companies who have got their complete teams who have given their access to on different areas that you can connect on. So for the design, the way we have just shared with you how you can connect on the garment side, the stock side, you can similarly connect as for the design side, wherein if you have designs that are not been utilized in the past few years, you've made sampling for customers, but they're lying in your show windows or in your showrooms, you can make it live on Sotex. There can be other set of buyers who can be those designs and who can approach you. It can be domestic buyers, it can be a bigger format buyers. So what it also helps you is it helps your company and your credibility reach out to many people. Of course, some of the designs which you want to keep it for the new seasons as prior to the private, we give you the option where you can keep the designs at the back end. You don't want to make it live on Sotex open platform. You don't want to do it, don't do it. We give you an option to keep it on the back end as the private side. So on the private side, wherever you are, through an app itself, you can have access to your designs. You can share it based on your requirement. आपको जब उन डिजाइन्स को शेयर करना है, आप अपनी कन्वीनियंस से अपने ऐप के थ्रू शेयर कर सकते हो. The same access you can give it to your teams also. आपकी फ्रंट एंड की सेल्स की टीम्स हैं या आपकी मार्केटिंग की या मर्चेंडाइजिंग की टीम्स हैं, आप उनको भी ये सेम एक्सेस दे सकते हो, where through the app itself they can share the designs at their own convenience. So this is something which is available to you 24/7, 365 days a week. Buyers can see the designs. They can approach people based on the design, and the sellers can explore it. The third vertical we are sharing out to you is unutilized capacity. People who have capacities, and suddenly this is the time where people have got cancelled orders or their further orders are not coming in. Very, very good time. And it is very important that you should make use of this time. Upload your idle capacity on Sotex. आपके पास, supposedly you are into apparel manufacturing, आपके पास 300 machines or 500 machines or maybe 100 machines की capacity है. But due to the current situation, you are running at 20%, 30%, 50%. So that 50% of the capacity, you can upload it on Sotex. So how it helps you is when the buyers are looking for a quick turnaround, even if there are fellow manufacturers who are into different product categories, they can reach out and they can connect you based on your geography and your location. So aapki, agar if your profiling is done well, agar if there are compliances that you have, or you are a non-compliant factory, in both the cases, you can share your capacity with us, and we can help you connect to the buyers or people who are looking to connect. So at the same time, आज की date में there is also another side of the situation wherein there are manufacturers who have business but do not have the workers in your hand. So on that ground, the manufacturers can look for a support here. जो fellow manufacturers हैं, they can look for a support their own geography region or in the other related geographies. कि जहाँ पे they don't have to call up people or have to find and negotiate the price. They have a requirement, they can put it their requirement on this, and we can connect you to the factories who have the available manpower or available capacities. So this kind of an equation is something more like a win-win situation. Sotex is just helping you connect on both the sides through an online gateway. As a members, you can exchange, you can see each other's profiles without even seeing it. अगर आपको लगता है you don't want to call them, you don't want to conversation with them, you can do your initial screening. as part of the infrastructure what is available on Sotex या जो भी उन company ने दिया हुआ है. Once you feel it is right, you can route it through Sotex. You want Sotex team to bridge the conversation. We can do that for you. If you want to connect directly as a member, you have the access to all the information, and you can reach out to the fellow member directly also. Sotex helps you do both the side of the engagements. Also connected a lot of people on the buying and manufacturing side of medical supplies. So in this current point of time, there are people who have been, struggling to find fabric, trims, accessories on the COVID supplies, and there are people who are manufacturing it and are not exposed to the buying community side. So I'll be sharing you one more important landscape. We are going to be, Sotex is also presenting this medium in tomorrow's, if there is a conclave which is Atmanirbhar Textiles. So there's a big conclave which is happening tomorrow. The time is at 11 o'clock. This is a conclave that you can register, wherein there'll be manufacturers from across India, the buyers, manufacturers from across India, even government bodies are there who would be looking to look for manufacturers who are compliant or non-compliant for the medical supplies. Agar aap chaho to you can register for this. There's a lot of value which will be coming in. Sotex is also a brand partner into this particular area, and they are supporting it. And I'll also be speaking on this particular forum tomorrow. So you can find the synergies here, and you can connect with the buyers here. On our next medium, we are going to be doing masterclass on the impact marketing. This is with Anuj Mehta. This is going to be our next set of session, which is on Thursday. The information is available to you, and Sotex team is going to be putting this information very shortly on the chat itself, and they will be sending you on the mailers also. This is another vertical which is there. One of our key partners, Omtech Solutions, is into the COVID-19 supplies, and they are also into the manufacturing of N97 masks. So anyone who is looking for such supplies, they can reach out to them. Numbers are mentioned below. Thank you again to the Omtech Solution teams to help us during the complete journey of breakout series. So with this, I am off with this, and we can definitely go back to the question PS.
Mr. Ajay Chauhan from Kerala is want to ask, do we have buyers for South Indian traditional wear like silk dhotis, cotton dhotis, both domestic and international?
As Sotex is about a community of about 6,000 businesses across India, definitely there can be companies who are into this vertical. There are manufacturers that I definitely know who are from out of Tamil Nadu, Tripura Road, and this particular area who are listed with us. And there are buyers, I am not quite sure, particularly in this particular category, that we need to check. But yes, as part of the buying community, there is a lot of buying community which is particularly from the South region. And earlier, I would say that we have had some good inquiries from overseas, particularly from the Middle East market and Australia, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah. So in that particular region, we had inquiries from dhotis, and we had connected them to a couple of manufacturers from South. So if you list your product and your profile with us, of course, as the opportunities come in that particular category, we'll definitely connect you on this particular vertical.
Preet want to ask, I'm looking for joggers and fleece products for high value. Please share the details. He has not mentioned whether he's looking for stocks or whether he's looking for fresh supplies.
Preet, we can connect you on both the sides, whether it is on the stock side or on the buying side. If you want to do a fresh buying, or if you want to do a surplus buying of the stocks, you can post your requirements with us. If you are not listed with Sotex, you can list. The link will be shared with you. It is sotex.com/registration that you can look forward to. Post your inquiry there, and we can definitely connect you to manufacturers in that vertical. But if you're looking out only for stock supplies, do mention that you're looking only for ready stocks. We also have certain merchandise which has been listed in that particular category. You can look at that particular window on our stock area. If you do not find it, please post it on the inquiry section, and we will connect you to the people who are having stock in that particular vertical.
Mr. Santhal wants to know, I like to deal with 3M supplies from Europe. Will Sotex team would help me to connect to facilitate buying process
with the current set of developments, we know that 3M is kind of overbooked with the supplies, and majority of the supplies are going to the governments across different geographies. We do not, we cannot guarantee. I said I'm sorry to say, but I want to recorrect myself. We cannot guarantee that even if we connect you with 3M, which is based out of Pune here, they will be honoring the supplies at this point of time. We definitely have connects on the Vietnam side, also on the Chinese side. But at this point of time, with the current set of events, I would rather say if there is a 3M, majority of the supplies which are coming into the Indian market, they are all fake, which are coming from China or from the other countries within, from within India. Also, their manufacturing has been happening for 3M. So you need to be quite careful on the fact whether if you're comfortable with the local or a fake kind of supplies, that is also there. But I would rather say that you should go for a product which is more standardized, more concrete to buy at this point of time. You can post your requirements. There are certain dealers who are there in our network who are listed on Sotex. So when you post your requirements, those goes to those dealers and the importers from that vertical. You can connect with them on one-to-one basis, but you need to do a little bit of assessment in terms of the quality of the merchandise. So that is one area which I would like to say, since there is a lot of fake area which is coming in, and we do not take a guarantee in terms of what kind of merchandise has been sold, or even through our gateway. We help you discover that the initial engagements and the quality check has all been done between the buyers and suppliers. Yes, we do support people who are willing to engage us for that particular kind of service. And that, as I mentioned out to you, those kind of information we can share to you on one-to-one basis also. But yes, we do support you if you want to buy it from a designated merchandise manufacturer.
Mr. Arihant Jain has a question. What is the process to sell fabrics out of India? Like stock fabrics out of India or fresh fabrics? He still has not mentioned. But what is the process to sell fabrics out of India?
Arihant, so what the first thing should be, you should list your products with a complete set of specifications on Sotex. That is one. Again, if you want Sotex help, of course, otherwise you have options on the internet. You can connect people on LinkedIn, on social media. You can find that particular gateway also. But as I mentioned, we have a forward teams in Bangladesh. So that is one important landscape that can be opened up. 600 companies are looking to divert their, not all of them, but few of them are very actively looking to divert their buying process from China, Thailand, Indonesia to India. As the logistics have become much more easier, the connectivity infrastructure has become easier. So it is more economical and cost advantage for them to buy from India. So if you're competitive, your products are compliant, and you are doing a product which are export oriented, then you can definitely have the advantage of exploring this market. Yes, Sotex can help you out on that vertical as well. As you put more information in this particular vertical, will keep on exposing your product line into that certain geographies. If you also want, we can get into a support function wherein we help you digitally market your product line in that focus market, whether it is Vietnam or in Bangladesh. We help you focus the market on this. But you need to ensure that your delivery system, which is your the process of delivery system, is intact. Your export compliance and norms and everything has been taken care of if you are into that vertical. Because a lot of the moment you look at overseas as part of the supplies, they look for certifications like BCI, GOTS or OCOTEX certifications. So these are certain mandatory norms when you have to look for doing fresh supplies into these countries. Majority of these countries are doing it for the direct export into this area. So yes, you can we can help you connect, provided you are ready on your export oriented norms.
Manish Keshwani wanted to know, should we sell our fabric at current yarn prices or wait for the yarn prices to come up?
See, Manishji, it is going to be a tricky situation. I won't say ki you should hold on to the stocks, because every stock has got a value to it, and the price, what you're holding on right now, may go up, may not go up. So both the side of situations are there. since the industry has gone through a complete lockdown stage in the last, I wouldn't say just the industry, the complete world has gone through a lockdown stage, and everybody's reviving. Lot of extension of stock has been there in the complete pipeline. So if it is a cotton-based product, yes, there is ample of cotton demand, cotton crop, which is lying unutilized. They have not been converted into yarn, or they've not been converted into fabrics at this point of time. So the moment things start becoming back to normal, everyone will be looking at manufacturing and scaling up their production and trying to get back. So depending upon the product that you have, if it is something which you think is a very basic commodity, you may want to liquidate it, you're free to take that call. But I would rather say cash flow for business to survive, the cash flow has to move. And if you are already having stock and you are, if you're able to sell it, you can always churn the new stock. You can always get into new stock vertical. So that's a very individual call that you want to take based on your product line that you're doing. So yes, I would say if had it been a situation, I would rather say you should look at rotating your stocks. You should look at selling your stock more and more often if you have an opportunity to go for it.
Mr. Sudhir want to know how will payment system work through in case of stocks, as suppliers will not ship goods without 100% payment in advance. So do we have escrow payment system to tackle this kind of situations?
Yes, we have just started up. We're starting up on this escrow payments gateway also. So the moment any buyer wants to make a purchase, cross-region purchase, Sotex, if they're a member, if the buyer is a member or a supplier is a member, Sotex will help facilitating the payment, helping them create the confidence, credibility factor. Doing a quality check, doing a basic round of credibility check on both the accounts, and in case if there are transactions which have to move on credit, there can be an area which we are just building up wherein you can put the money in the escrow account of Sotex, and the moment the goods have been shipped out, the payments are released to the sellers, and the buyers feel confident that they are not being taken for a ride. So we have already worked during the lockdown on that particular area, and very shortly we'll be rolling out this feature in the next few days.
Thank you, Sonal. These are the questions for now.
I think Arvind Singhal has one question. Maybe sell denim pant, fresh and own brand to overseas. Arvindji, it is, I would say ki, if you have a merchandise which is a level of export quality, I would say not only export quality, but a good quality, and you are competitive as per the international norms, that definitely gives you a lot of weightage. Why not sell it online or maybe overseas? If you have a right product, create complete digital imaging of your products, share it on the internet, share it with Sotex, share it with any other social media or a platform that you feel is important. As much more reach you create for your products, the chances of your getting business from overseas increases. A lot of people are now searching online based on the product, based on the geography, based on the quality, based on the category, based on the small and the quantities. So all that kind of equation is available, provided you have to take a step of putting your information in the right manner online. So that's one of the most cheap, I would say a lot of those things are at a very, very low cost at this point of time. So use that opportunity, make as much information about yourself, your business online as much possible. So before the internet becomes more pricey, I would rather suggest you to take as much information and put it online, whether it is your product, whether it is your business, and people will start discovering you. Don't worry on that fact. The world is going global. People will start discovering you. A very important factor is going to be your on B2B verticals, B2B platforms. Make sure you are part of that B2B community, because these are going to be the first level of engagements where buyers do come across and they post their inquiries. So if your products, your profiling is done well, then your discovery, initial discovery becomes much more easier and important for you. So that's one gateway that you can explore. Okay, thank you so much for everyone for being part of this journey today with us and being part of this event. We are almost towards the end of our session. We we had questions, and I think I've answered and addressed most of the questions. Stay in tune with us. Tomorrow we do have a very important landmark for the people who are into a manufacturing vertical. If you are into a manufacturing vertical, please look out for this event which is happening tomorrow morning.
Also visit our community page, which is Sotex Stock, for having all latest information on the stocks across all 45 categories what we are dealing in, which starts right from the fiber stage to yarns, laces, fabrics, trims, buttons, buckles, and the made-up garments. So keep in touch, and those who have not registered can register on Sotex. So information has been already shared in the chat box. So you have the link shared there.
Right, G, with this we come to an end of our session. Thank you so much for being there, adding your time, and thank you so much for being participative in the Sotex platform and our knowledge series. And thank you for being part of today's session and journey. Thank you so much, everyone.
Thank you.